Hey beauties, I thought I would hop on today and share a quick PR haul unboxing, although this I have unboxed already and I absolutely love it. I just wanted to give you an update, but it is the Too Faced plumping lip liners. Now these truly are so long lasting. I gotta tell you, if you don't fill in your whole lip with these, it'll leave a ring around your mouth, and they do burn. It burns, you guys, but the plumping cannot be beat. It makes your lips look so full, so plump, and it truly is long lasting. So thank you so much to Too Faced. They sent me a bunch of these. So let me go ahead and open now some of the things that I didn't open. So then guys, I haven't unboxed this yet. Look at this huge package here. Oh my gosh. When this came in the mail, I was like, what could this possibly be? It's huge. But let's go ahead and see, because I still don't even really know. Okay, what is it, guys? What is it? It's a game, and then spin to pick a color. These are different eyeliners. So these are called 24/7 ink liners. So look how big it is. Okay, maybe these are really super duper long lasting liquid liners in lots of great colors. That's what it seems like. Let's see, because you know it will get stuck in my hooding right now if you know how it is with the hooding. This would be a nightmare. I'm scared to look up, because if I look up, is it gonna get all over my face? No guys, look at that. It's already dried down, and it's very precise. So you can really get into the corner of your eye, your inner eye and your outer. So I didn't even realize it, guys, but the box actually says this is a liquid liner that won't mess up. So look at that. It really does not mess up. This is amazing. Wow. So yeah, usually I just put a little bit of liner, but you could actually keep going and have fun because these really won't mess up. So this is so amazing. These are from Urban Decay 24/7 ink liners. So thank you so much to Urban Decay for sending me these. I can't wait to play with more. So let's go ahead and open the next package. Here we got a package from Lawless Beauty, Clean Beauty. Amazing products. Forget the filler. It's so good. So let's see what this is that they've come out with. It's, oh, the one and done long wear volumizing mascara. Guys, clean like you've never seen. All right, also they did send this eyeshadow palette. I was gonna say beautiful. I didn't open it. Okay, this is the eyeshadow palette. Talc free eyeshadow, beautiful purple shades. Oh, and these beautiful kind of nude shades as well. I'm gonna be back and we'll make a look with that. Maybe we could try this out really quick though, you guys, because I just happen to have nothing on my eyes. So what a coincidence is that? Let me just try this real quick. I have to. Beautiful packaging. So here is the wand. It's very long, and it look, oh, stop. I hope you can see, guys. Wow. This is so volumizing and lengthening as well. I have never seen in my life a mascara like this. I'm not even kidding. This is amazing. How it's even made my eye look more wide awake, more open, bigger. Wow. Okay, so anyway, beauties, they did send some lips and some brow products, but I will have to be back and we'll try those out another day. So anyway, guys, I'll be back for part 2 very soon.